Hi guys, hi beautiful igboticnonos, welcome back to my channel. Please if you've not subscribed to this channel, please kindly do so. Subscription is free. Please like this video, share it as well. You have watched it, you like it, share to other people to watch. Please, I'll cry you. I'm going to cry you. Okay guys, thank you. In today's video we're going to be there's something I want to teach you guys. I see it as being very important. This is pronoun in Igbo language. Yes, pronouns in Igbo language. That's the same way you have it in English language. That's the same way we have it in Igbo language. And me making sentences in Igbo language, pronouns for beginners is very important. Pronouns for beginners is very important, and that is why I brought it to your doorstep. We have the singular Igbo pronouns and we have the plural Igbo pronouns. Don't click off. I'm going to make it very simple for you, as easy as ABCD. I'm going to make it as easy as ABCD, so do not click off. In Igbo language, you have the singular plurals, the singular pronouns and the plural pronouns. And the singular pronouns, we have and also we have mo, singular pronouns. And when we use these sentences like na-abịa, 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 I am coming, na-abịa is a singular pronoun. Na-abịa, I am coming. Gwa mo, tell me. Gwa mo, tell me, singular pronoun. Gwa mo, tell me. Gwa mo, tell me. And we have gi. We have gi, which is you or your. Gi, which is you. Anam agwage, I am telling 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 you. And we have another singular pronoun. We have this one. I said gi now is the second person singular. The and the mu is the first person singular, and the gi is the second person singular, and the third person singular is ya. Ya is the third person singular. Ya can be him or her or it. The good thing about Igbo language is we don't specify like other languages, Spanish and others, even Norwegian language, that they specify things by genders, and living things and non-living things. But in Igbo language, we use it generally. Just like this third person singular is ya. Ya can be him, can be her, can be it. Weteya. Weteya. Weteya can be get the plate for me. The plate is there already and you guys are eating. You just tell the person weteya. It's to get the plate. Gwaya, tell her. Gwaya, tell her. So we use ya in both living and non-living things. Object and in subject form, we use ya, third person singular. Does not matter if it's a living thing, if it's not a living thing. Ya refer to him or her or it. So that brings us that is just about the singular pronouns in Igbo language. Mo, first person, mo and second person singular, gi, third person singular, ya. Yes, with the examples I just gave. I'm going to write them on the screen now so you understand. Na-abịa, first person singular. Na-abịa, I am coming. I am coming. Na-abịa. Mu, tell me. Gwa mu. Gwa mu. Gwa mu, tell me. And the second person singular is gi. Nnagwagi, I am talking to you. Nnagwagi, I am talking to you. And the third person singular is ya. Ya can be it or her or she. Gwaya, weteya. That's just it. This is very important to learn the first person singular, the second person singular, the third person singular. It's very important. It helps you in making a sentence in Igbo language. And now we're going to the other side, which is the plural. So we have the first person plural, we have the second person plural, and we have the third person plural. And the first person plural is Anyị. Anyị can be we, can be us, can be our, can be ours. Anyị na-abịa, we are coming. Anyị na-abịa, we are coming. This is first person plural in Igbo language. Anyị na-abịa, we are coming. And we have the second person plural, unu niile. Unu niile, all of you. Unu niile, unu niile bịa. All of you should come. Unu niile, all of you should come. So the second person plural is unu. Unu, all of you. Unu, unu niile, all of you. And the third person plural here is ha. Ha can be they, ha can be them. Ha niile can be all of them as well. Ha na-abịa. Ha na-abịa, they are coming. Ha na-abịa, they are coming. Wete ha ebe, bring them here. Wete ha ebe, bring them here. Efele ndị a. Efele ndị a, ha mara mma. These plates are fine. So guys, I hope you understood me. I tried to make it as simple as possible. I didn't want to start using big vocabularies, because using big vocabularies will confuse you guys a lot, because this video is for beginners, right? So I just tried to use easy vocabularies. So now you have learned first person singular, second person singular, third person singular pronouns in Igbo language. And you also have learned now first person plural in Igbo language, second person plural in in Igbo language, and third person plural in Igbo language. So now I hope after this video you'll be able to make sentences when referring to all of them, or when referring to person gay, or when referring to yourself more, or me, or and what have you. This is the basics to make the most easy sentence in Igbo language, and I tried not to make it too elaborate, so that what I did now is just a layman understanding. That's what I just did now, and I hope you understood it perfectly well. And thank you for watching this video. If you've not subscribed yet, please try to do so. Also share this video as well. I will appreciate it so much. And remember, this is my channel, or this is your show. I want to bring in vlogs to this channel. I don't know, put that in the comment section if it's something you want to see, and I'll be right at it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day.